What's up guys and girls? It's Geek Info Tech back with another video. Today we have the Redmi 3S. It's a low budget phone. It has good features. Let's take a look at the box. The box itself is clean, has pictures of the phone on the front, and the back has all the specs. Let's open up the box. The first thing we see is the phone itself. Behind the phone is the instruction manual kit. The later things are the accessories, which are the charger and the USB cable. First, for the manual, everything's known, so the manual is of no use except for the important component. That's the tray removal metal prong. The next thing is the charger. It's covered in plastic, so the unwrap is the most satisfying feel. Let's get it unwrapped. As you can see here, it has a QR code on one end which covers the USB port. The output is 5 volts at 2 amp. Disappointment is the anchor, resolution is the sun. We'll take a look at the USB cable as soon as we get the band off. It's long, it's 1.2 meters long. The main features of the phone are, it has a Snapdragon 405 processor with a Adreno 505 GPU. It comes with 2 GB RAM and supports up to 128 gigs external memory. The phone itself is 5 inches in size. All the certifications are down here with the bottom speaker. Back camera is 13 megapixel and the front is 5 megapixel, both supporting 1080p resolution. These are the volume rockers and the power button. This is the IR sensor, the noise cancelling mic and the headphone jack. This side we have the removable dual SIM / SD card slot. The USB charger, the mic and the phone is done. So thanks guys for watching this. Bye.